Choosing stocks to invest in requires research, analysis, and consideration of various factors. Here's a guide on how to select stocks. Define your investment goals. Determine your investment objectives, risk tolerance, and time horizon. This will help you narrow down your options and choose stocks that align with your financial goals. Research industries and sectors. Understand different industries and sectors to identify potential opportunities for growth. Consider emerging trends, market dynamics, and economic outlook. Fundamental analysis. Evaluate the fundamentals of individual companies by examining key metrics such as revenue growth, earnings, profitability, debt levels, and valuation ratios like price-to-earnings ratio and price-to-book ratio. Technical analysis. Use technical analysis to assess stock price movements and identify patterns or trends in price charts. This can help determine entry and exit points for trades. Company performance and management. Assess the company's performance, competitive advantage, and management team. Look for companies with strong leadership, innovative products or services, and a track record of success. Risk management. Diversify your portfolio to spread risk across different asset classes, industries, and geographies. Avoid putting all your money into a single stock and consider using stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. Stay informed. Stay updated on market news, company announcements, and economic developments that may impact your investments. Continuously monitor your portfolio and be prepared to adjust your strategy as needed.